Hi, my name is Denise Myrick of Keller Williams Bay Area Estates, and welcome to 1336 Bird Avenue, a beautiful Willow Glen charmer. Built in the 1940s, this home has been remodeled over the years with elegant details, yet keeping its original charm. As you enter through the entrance, beautiful refinished hardwood floors welcome you to the formal living room. Arched doorways, a large gas fireplace, crown molding include many of the stunning details. Throughout the home, oversized wood windows allow warm, natural light to flow through the rooms. The kitchen and dining area provide wonderful space to cook and entertain. Stunning appliances include a Frigidaire refrigerator, oven with separate boiler, microwave and dishwasher, and an oversized sink complete the beautiful look. With bar seating, the stunning granite island has a gas stovetop with grill and pretty pendant lights. There's tons of space with the maple cabinets as well as small pantry for added storage. There are two large bedrooms which continue the beautiful hardwood floors, and each room has an overhead fan and window treatments for privacy. The master bedroom also has a large walk-in closet and French door access to the enclosed backyard. Enjoy the master bathroom with its relaxing jetted tub, dual sink vanity and extra storage, and private shower stall. A second full bathroom is off the kitchen for guests. As a bonus, the basement is finished providing room for laundry, as well as a utility or office space, utilizing today's needs for work and learning environments from home. Additionally, a detached garage with additional storage and workshop space is set towards the back of the property. Surrounding this home include many mature, beautiful plants, including bougainvillea, colorful annuals, and succulents in a private setting. Another wonderful feature of this home is its location. It is a block from a local shopping center which includes Safeway, yummy restaurants like Toast Cafe and Bebo's Pizza, mom and pop shops, and much more. It's also a short stroll to Willow Glen's famous The Avenue, with shopping, top-rated restaurants, and businesses. Wonderful local schools include Willow Glen Elementary, Willow Glen Middle, and Willow Glen High Schools. It's also near River Glen Park, the train, bus, and high-tech shuttle stops, as well as easy access to multiple freeways in downtown San Jose, home to an abundance of high-tech employers. This is a wonderful home opportunity you don't want to miss. Give us a call today for more information or a private showing. Thank you.